Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the removal now, don't stall. First, decide whether you want to deactivate temporarily or permanently delete your account. That choice changes steps and timing. Once decided, download a copy of your photos and messages via Settings your activity download information so nothing's lost. Then sign into Instagram on the app or a browser, make sure you're on the correct account, and navigate directly to account settings to begin the removal process. Now take the core actions. If you want to pause, choose Settings Account Temporarily Deactivate Account, pick a reason and confirm, your profile hides immediately. If you want permanent deletion, use the Delete Your Account flow. Open Instagram's delete page, choose a reason, re-enter your password, and confirm deletion. Also unlink Facebook if connected and sign out of other devices so tokens can't restore access. These steps close the account or complete the process by noting timing and safeguards. Permanent deletions typically take about 30 days before data is purged. Don't log in during that window or you'll cancel deletion. For deactivation, simply log back in to restore your profile. If you hit errors, make sure to clear app cache, test the web browser flow, or reset your password and then retry. These fixes resolve most failures. If problems persist, contact Instagram support through the app's Help menu for account-specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.